Hello my 3D printer peeps, I'm here with the SparkX powered by Creality i7 3D printer. And today we are going to clean and lubricate the rods and lead screws. To do this, you're going to need a few supplies. Let's talk about them. For your grease, we're going to use Lucas Oil NLGI number 2, Super Lube Lightweight Oil ISO 68. A blunt-tipped syringe, or a cheap pipette. You might also want to consider wearing some gloves. Gloves can be uncomfortable, gloves can suck, gloves can rip. Use a quality glove. This is a grease monkey. A cheap paintbrush, such as this, or my favorite, these plastic bristle brushes. I get them both from the Tree of Dollar. I will also link to all of this, including these, in my description to Amazon. You are also going to want some IPA, a quality towel. I like Scott's Blue shop cloth. I don't have any at the moment. Or even some cheap eyeglass cleaner. They're practically the same thing. Snap on your gloves and let's get started. Slide your bed all the way back. Grab your shop cloth or the most lint-free towel you have. Spray it with eyeglass cleaner. It would probably make people happier if I said IPA. So get some IPA on that. And wipe down these steel rods right here. Both sides. This printer is new, so it should come off pretty clean. Don't forget to bring it forward. And do the back side as well. Grab your Super Lube and your syringe or pipette. I'm going to go with syringe. Draw some Super Lube out of the bottle and make a nice bead along this rod. Do it on both rods and slide the bed forward and back. Go ahead and apply another bead on the back side. You should have clean, smooth moving rods. While we are working with our oil and alcohol, go ahead and clean this linear rail. Get in there really good. Notice the little notch. Get in there on both sides. My i7 is fairly new, and look at that. This is one of my favorite 3D printing tools. It's a weeder. You can get it for about $1 at the Dollar Tree. And I used it to help me get inside that rail and really get the grime out. Many printers have the linear rail facing forward, meaning one of the tracks is underneath. The i7 smartly has the linear rail facing upward, meaning both tracks are easily accessible, one here in the front and one in the back. You're going to apply very light oil into that track. Not above, not below, not on the belt. Do the same on the back. Run your print head back and forth. Wipe off any excess oil on the top, front, and back. And you're good to go. If you are concerned about your build plate, place a cloth on it. Do not remove the build plate. I would rather you ruin a $10 build plate than the magnetic surface of your hotbed. Before we get started, home the printer by touching Control, touching XYZ, press the Z home button. This will bring the tool head down to the build plate and then park it in the pooper. This gives us access to the lead screw. Grab your cloth, reach in here, and gently run it up and down that lead screw. Be very careful. I don't want any forward pressure on the lead screw, as we don't want to bend it. Do this on both sides. You will get access to the front and the side of the lead screw. Once your finger is in there, you'll feel what I mean. You'll be able to get that finger on the side and the front. Turn that lead screw just a little bit by tapping Z up. And do it again. Do this as much as you feel necessary. Grab your lithium grease, grab the brush of your choice, and put a small dab of grease on the brush. With that brush, place a small dab every inch or so on the lead screw. We are not going crazy here, just a little bit will do. Do the same on both sides. Don't forget down here towards the bottom as well. This is important because guess where your tool head will spend most of its time. We are now going to use the Z up button. Hold your finger on the Z up button and we'll move that tool head to the top of the printer. You should now have a nice layer of grease across your lead screw. Of course, if you are concerned about any bare spots, go ahead and touch them up. Once you've touched them up, press the Z home button and the tool head will ride that lead screw back down. Congratulations, you have cleaned and lubricated your SparkX powered by Creality i7 3D printer, and it's ready for more abuse. I'm Mr. Greg, and you're on 3D Rundown.